First, confirm your Mercedes-Benz key fob has FCC ID NBGDM3. This model is common in C-Class, E-Class, and S-Class vehicles from the 2000s to 2020s. You'll need a new CR2032 3-volt lithium battery. Make sure it's fresh to ensure proper function. Gather a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and optionally gloves to keep the fob clean. Work in a well-lit area. If your fob looks different, this guide may not apply, and you should seek out a guide specific to your key fob's model. These steps are universal across Mercedes-Benz fobs, but apply specifically to NBGDM3 models. Now we'll walk through the step-by-step process of replacing your key fob battery. First, locate the small slot on the edge of your key fob, often marked with a key icon. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver or pry tool into this slot and twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful, as the fob is held together by plastic tabs that can break if too much force is applied. Once open, use the screwdriver to carefully pop out the old CR2032 battery, noting which side faces up. Install the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the same direction as the old battery. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together until you hear a click. Test the fob by pressing the lock-unlock buttons. If it doesn't work, consult your vehicle's manual for potential reprogramming instructions or visit a dealership.